Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to share a deliciously tasty appetizer that's tuna fish kebab that's very easy to make and you may also make and freeze it for months. And I have also shared useful tips that will make the perfect kebab without turning soggy and won't break while frying. And it will turn perfectly crispy from outside and soft and juicy from inside. Whenever required, just take from the freezer, fry and enjoy as a snack or as a side dish with rice dishes. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. For making tuna kebab, I have used around 3 tins of tuna. Just drain the water and press to remove extra water that it contains. Now into a bowl add 3 boiled potatoes. Mash them with clean hand. You may also use fork or masher if you want. Mash them finely. Now to this we're going to add the ingredients. Firstly add in tuna, then goes in 1 medium sized chopped onions, then chopped green chillies, then chop coriander leaves, mint leaves. Then in the spices going to add a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, a teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1/4 to half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add salt as required. Then going to add garlic, that's 3 cloves. Grate them and add it. Now to this we're going to add 1 egg. Three tablespoons of cornflour and half a cup of breadcrumbs. A quick tip, breadcrumbs you may adjust according to desired consistency. If it's too moist, add little more or reduce it if it's dry. Now combine all together. Mix it well. And you can see this is the consistency you should get. It's neither too dry nor too moist. It's perfect. Now place a parchment paper or a baking paper on a tray and we're going to layer the kebabs on them. Take a small portion, roll it as shown. And then press down and flatten it. Shape the kebabs into equal size. You may shape it whichever way you like it as the taste is going to remain the same. Continue shaping the remaining kebabs. It's a fairly medium sized ones I made and was able to make around 20 kebabs. Create flat and round shaped kebabs and then line them on a parchment paper ensuring they don't stick with each other. Now why I'm placing it on a parchment paper, we'll share the reason soon. In case you don't have parchment paper, you may simply use food wrap paper or even plastic sheets or aluminium foil. And in case you don't have any of this, simply grease the tray with oil and place the kebabs. Now keep these trays in freezer for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Now it's been an hour, I've taken it out from the freezer. And you can see the kebabs have turned firm in texture and have set well. A very useful tip, always freeze kebabs for at least 15 to 30 minutes in refrigerator before frying them. And if you're going to store for future, after its initial setting, simply place them in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag. The reason I use parchment paper, as you can see, it doesn't stick to the tray and comes off easily. Now let's proceed in storing. Store as many as you want in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag and simply freeze them. Do follow this basic step for perfect freezing. It will stay fresh for 3 months. Whenever required, just take the desired quantity, thaw for 2 to 3 minutes and fry them. Now I'm going to show you both the ways. Now I'm going to fry the fresh kebabs. So heat up a pan and add oil for shallow frying. Now place the kebabs. Flame needs to be on medium-low. And fry them until it turns nice golden brown in color on both sides. It hardly takes 3 to 4 minutes. Flip And you can see here, the flavor and aroma is super tempting and it tastes as good as it looks. You may also air fry them by simply brushing them with oil. It's cooked on the other side too. Just swirl the pan so it gets evenly cooked onto the sides too. Cook both the sides until they turn crispy and golden. See how beautiful golden it turned? You may serve this delicious kebab as an evening snack and also as a side dish with rice. Kebabs have cooked well on both the sides now. So we can transfer it to a paper towel. Look how beautiful and appealing the kebab looks. It tastes equally good. As Ramadan is around the corner, you will make and freeze these kebabs in advance and it will save you a lot of time during Ramadan. Now let me show you the frozen kebabs, which were well freezed for a long time. These are the frozen ones. Here you can see that the ice crystals have formed on them. Now take the desired quantity you require and then you may allow it to thaw for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's fry them. Similarly, heat up oil for shallow frying them and place the kebabs. Cook on both the sides until they turn golden and crispy. You can see it still has the same freshness, look, texture and taste delicious. It's a very easy to make snack that hardly takes time for preparation and you can make and freeze it, saving a lot of time and energy. And whenever required, just take, fry and enjoy these appetizing snack. Do try this during this Ramadan and I'm sure you'll save you a lot of time and you may focus more on ibadah and prayers as it's a holy month full of blessings. See how crispy and tasty this looks? Transfer it to a paper towel. Do try this easy and delicious kebab recipe and treat your loved ones. I'm sure they'll truly enjoy it. Enjoy these kebabs with your favorite sauce. Mint, tomato, mustard, Szechuan, whichever sauce you like. And now let me show you the texture. See how crispy it is? It's crispy from outside and soft, juicy and flavorfully delicious from inside. Hope you like this recipe with useful tips. For more such videos, do stay tuned with Nisha Thaju as I'll keep uploading more videos now inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.